Welcome back to another Boomba Racing install video. Today we'll be installing our blow-off valve adapter on the Ram 1500 RHO. Here's all the tools you'll need for the install. First we'll remove the 13mm bolt holding on the engine cover, and then remove the engine cover completely. Next we'll loosen both hose clamps from the air duct and remove all coolant line clips connected to it. Then remove the first portion of the air duct. On the other side of the air duct, first begin by removing all electrical connections connected to the air duct. Next, we'll remove the electrical connection from the wastegate as well as the vacuum line. There are two more vacuum lines behind the air duct that need to be removed. Be sure to loosen the upper hose clamp from the air duct before removal. There is a spring clip on the back of the air duct holding it in place. Pull back on the spring clip to unlock it. Once the spring clip is unlocked, rotate the air duct clockwise for easy removal. Now we have to loosen the wire harness in order to gain better access to the blow-off valve. Remove the 13mm bolt holding on the wire harness. Remove all clips from the top portion of the wire harness. Locate the wire harness bracket behind the wire harness. Remove one nut and one bolt in order to remove the bracket. Disconnect the electrical connector from the blow-off valve and set it aside. Remove all three T30 Torx screws from the blow-off valve. We recommend using a magnet to catch the screws as you uninstall. Completely remove the blow-off valve. The blow-off valve will only align in one position. We recommend aligning the blow-off valve adapter and rotating it 90 degrees in order to make it easier to install. Align and install the blow-off valve adapter with the longer screws. Ensure the blow-off valve adapter is sitting flush with the mounting surface. Reconnect the electrical connector to the blow-off valve. Reinstall the wire harness bracket. Reinstall the wire harness onto the bracket as well as all the plastic clips. Position and reinstall the air duct in a similar fashion as to how it was removed. Make sure that the spring clamp in the back of the air duct is in a locked position. Reinstall the one vacuum line on the wastegate and two vacuum lines going into the back of the air duct. Reconnect all the harness clips back onto the air duct as well as the electrical connector to the wastegate. Tighten down the hose clamp on the air duct. Reinstall the other portion of the air duct. Be sure to secure the air duct with a bolt in the back. Tighten both hose clamps on the air duct and reinstall the coolant line clips onto the air duct. Reinstall the engine cover and secure the bolt in the rear. And that's the install complete. Feel free to comment below with any questions you might have and follow us for more upcoming products.